So I'm just getting ready for the day and I just wanted to film it real quick. So I have my curling wand right here, my new Monet one. I am so excited about this. I am so ready to use it. I already put the frizz protection in so that my hair is not frizzy anymore because I woke up with frizzy hair. I slept on it wet and it was not cute. So I put the frizz stuff in and it tamed down my frizz like so much. And then I also put my heat protectant in, so now I'm just gonna curl my hair. Girl, that is so cute. These are such cute curls, guys. Oh my gosh. I already love this one. Without eyebrows being done, I look like a freaking naked mole rat. So I am finished with my hair and makeup. I feel cute. I feel super cute. Like every time I do my hair and makeup, I just feel like I have my shiz together and that I'm just like ready to take on the world. I don't know what it is. That's just how I feel. Anytime I get ready, I'm just like, oh, I can take on anything. Like, I'm a boss. I don't know. It's weird. I just need to figure out what lipstick I'm gonna wear. I don't know if I want to wear a gloss, if I want to wear red lips. Like, I just do not know. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Boss Liquid Lip Kit set. What the heck? Do you guys see this? It just like popped back in. Okay. I just realized something, that I am wearing the whitest white and wearing the reddest red. I didn't think I thought this through very well. If you love Kylie Cosmetics lip kits and you feel like they dry your lips out, just lather your lips in some type of chapstick, or I use like this Glossier Rose Balm, and this stuff is amazing. Like, it makes your lips feel like silky smooth. It's almost like a lip mask. It's like super thick, but like it doesn't feel thick when it's on. Like, it's so freaking nice. So I love using this even just as like a lip gloss, because it does give your lips that like sheen. So I definitely, when I run out of this, I'm gonna get a full size because this stuff is bomb. This one's just like the sample that I got from a Sephora play box. I love this stuff, and I use it pretty much anytime I do my makeup. I am so cold today. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I keep getting chills and I'm just like, get warm. I feel like winter comes with a lot of baggage. Like, we all just have to deal with it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm good. I'm just gonna... I'll see you guys in a minute. I don't know why, but these jeans are low-key still warm from me washing them yesterday. Don't know how, but it's cool. So this is the outfit. I'm gonna wear my like white boots with this, but I'm just wearing this cute sweater from Forever 21, and then I have my jeans on from Fashion Nova, which these make the booty pop. I love these freaking jeans. I've been wearing them so much this week. I wear them all the time. They're so comfortable and they just look so good because they're like jegging jeans, so they're just super comfortable, but they're also like hella cute. So I don't know why I said it like that, but they're so freaking cute. So I'm like obsessed with these jeans and I would love to get more, but they only had one other color. I can't seem to find any more pairs like this on Fashion Nova. I get really worried about buying jeans from them. Like, I don't know why I do. It's just that like I know I'm not gonna return it if I don't end up liking them, so then I don't want to buy them, you know? Like, I'm always scared. I freaking love my hair. Like, my hair has never looked so good. Like, these are the curls that I always go for, and like I always end up getting different curls than this. And so I'm super happy with the way my hair looks and how it feels. It's so freaking soft. Anyways, guys, I'm just freaking obsessed with everything. Hey guys, so I just finished doing my makeup and I am about to head out to do the shoot with my friend Z. I'm super excited. You've definitely seen him in my videos before. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick before I have to leave. I really hope you can't see any of the dirty clothes on the ground. So I'm wearing this sweater from Forever 21 and I got this last year. I don't know if it's still available now. It's so comfy and the sleeves are like big and I just love the cable knit look. And then I just have these jeans from PacSun on and my boots from Forever 21 that I'm obsessed with and wear to literally almost every shoot. That is the outfit. I am gonna head out. We finished up in the tunnels. Not sure where we're heading next, but I'll update you then.
Hey. I messed up the camera. Malfunction. Blooper. Yo, edit this out. This didn't happen. Okay, alright. Take 5.
It's a garden. The Gathering Porch is what this is called. Oh, that's funky.
Huh?
That chair. Oh, there's like a tunnel. That's cool. So guys, guess what I got? I got a parking ticket. So, where I parked at, I've always parked there for free. Literally everyone I know has parked there for free. Now all of a sudden, I get a parking ticket for parking there. What? It could have just been like the time of day that we went, I don't know. But like we've never had to pay parking down there. And I got a parking ticket and I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? I don't even know, like this is the first time that I've got like a parking ticket before, so I'm not happy about this at all. Guys, I'm adulting. It's fun, right? Anyways guys, I just wanted to let you guys know about that and that I'm home. Made it home. I'm good. Guys, I forgot to show you guys, but I got an exciting package in the mail today. Of course, every single time Tarte has a sale, I always buy my favorite brow pencils. I stock up on them because it's the only time they go on sale is like, you know, obviously when they have a sale. So I always really stock up on them, so I bought 4 of them. I really wanted to try this. This is their opening act lash primer. I've been really loving lash primers when I don't use falsies, so I really wanted to try this one out because I've been really liking the Lancome one, and this one was like really cheap, so I was like, why not go for it? And then I got my favorite lipstick from the Rainforest to the Sea collection. It is the shade Colada, and I'm actually wearing that shade today, but I'm just so happy to have a new one because all of my old ones are like crusty. Not cute. I freaking love this lipstick, so I'm super excited that I have another one now. But that was all for my little haul of the day. I don't even know when I'm gonna get another package in, so for now that's all for these little hauls. So I am just going to end this vlog here. I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys had an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!